Good morning, everyone, or afternoon or evening, whenever you're watching this. My name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome. If this is a return trip for you, welcome back. It is early on Monday that I'm filming, and I've had half a cup of coffee, so be warned. In fact, I'll take another drink. This is the third video that I've made in this little notebook setup. It is just a coil bound notebook that I got off of Amazon. I got it in a 12 pack, so I figured what a great opportunity to do one spiral notebook per month and have 12 different spiral notebooks for the year. So I started off, I did the November page. Well, truly, I started off with a giant marker and wrote November down the side. And then I did November here with the 3 Tombow markers I felt matched the cover the best and felt fall-ish. Fall-ish would probably be the best word. And then I set up the monthly with you. And then I set up the November tracker, which I had to get a little creative with because there wasn't 31 lines that I could do it the other way that we normally see trackers. So I had to split it between 15 and 15 for the month and just duplicate what I want to track. And it's fine. I really actually like this. The more I look at it, the more I like it. And then I have a November checklist. So different things I want to get done during the month of November. And then I'll just check them off as they get done. So the next thing I wanted to do was set up with you my dailies. So I'm going to start the month with a Saturday and Sunday. Sorry, that was the heater kicking on and off. It's a little chilly this morning. It's quite a bit chilly this morning. So I want to go in here. I have my Energel liquid gel pen. It's a 0.7, and I'm going to take my old, probably needs to be put through the dishwasher, ruler. And I'm just going to mark this out. I've already pencil lined this, so you didn't have to watch me struggle making this all up. I'm going to go over just a little bit so I can see. So there. And then there. I hope I'm doing this right. I won't know until I remove this. I think this one goes down one more. Yeah, I think that's right. Yes. Okay. So then I'm going to erase this up here. I'm going to go in with my Tombow pink. The number is 772. Actually, I think what I'll do is this. And then the reason I'm starting with Saturday and Sunday is because that is the beginning of the month. Starts on Saturday, and I figured it would just be easier since I am doing dailies to move into this spiral notebook when I started, or when the month started. Excuse my nails. I was painting them last night while we were watching the Halloween baking challenge. They'll be fine after I wash my hair, but for this morning, I've still got a little bit of paint on my cuticles. And then this will be the last column down here. And that will be for dinner. So I'm going to set up 30 of these. Oh, I was going to write up here. Saturday. Good morning. Good morning. Saturday, November 1st. So in real time, I'm not going to set up 30 of them. I will set up 2 with you so that you can get a feel for what they're going to look like. But then eventually, yes, there will be a total of 30 pages that look just like this one. So, oh, I've got a fly. Did you see it? I tried to do the, oh, I didn't get it. Totally didn't get it. So let's go in here again. So I'm going to come down here, 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 and then perfect, just like that. Monday. Let's go in with the green. You do not have to use markers. If you don't have markers, keep it very monochromatic. You don't need them. I'm just putting them in there because I do have them and I think they match the cover really cute. It's an aesthetic thing for me. It is not like, oh, my planner is going to work so much better because I have, you know, these colors in here. It's not. It won't work any better, I promise. So this is going to be priorities. My morning. And this could be a morning routine. This could be a list of things you want to get done in the morning, any appointments you have in the morning, same with afternoon and evening, things that you have going on. And then chores, any chores that you need to do during the day. And then this is your afternoon schedule, any deliveries or orders. And then whatever we're having for dinner. So that's what that is going to look like. Why am I so far out of there? Sorry about that. I didn't realize I was off center. So is this a layout you can see yourself using in your spiral notebook? Is it something that you can see, you know, yourself moving into in November? If you want to get the pack of 12 notebooks that I purchased that are the coil, they all have different covers on them. They're really cute. The pages measure 5.5-ish by 6 1/4. They're pretty close to an A5 size. So yeah, I will continue to work on setting up the rest of the dailies through this notebook. Don't fret, I have some more ideas to fill these pages. In fact, if we go back here, I actually set up another monthly that I'm going to do with you. So there'll be a second monthly, and it's going to be a November monthly. And you're like, why do you need 2 months in one planner? I'll tell you why. This is going to be 30 meal ideas. So I'm going to have all of the ideas in here, and then I'm going to write the recipes of each one of the meals so that when I get home from work, I can look in my pantry. Oh, that's the other thing. It'll be based on food we have already, other than like fresh ingredients like cilantro, lettuce, things that we would have, spinach that we would have to get at the store because we can't preserve it. So, or freeze it, or dry it, you know, have it in the freezer or have it in the pantry. So I'm excited about this too, but I do have quite a few of these to get set up. So I will work on that. Let me know if you're going to try to set up a November planner as well. I'm really excited to get this one going and move into it on Saturday. I hope you have an amazing week. I love you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.